Hello there, welcome back to our update today. Is right now, the severe weather side. We right now have QLCS moving through Louisiana and Arkansas. Actually might be headed to Mississippi as we're going recording this. Right now we have slight risk severe weather tonight, and then day 2 I believe. And then marginal risk day 3, 15% day 4. And then also looking at excessive rainfall, we have a moderate risk tonight and a slight risk on day 2 and 3. Let's get right into it. Looking at surface analysis right now, we have an outflow boundary located in Texas. We also have a QLCS across Arkansas, Louisiana, 21Z. And right now we have a system with across North Dakota and South Dakota. We'll track to see how this goes. So, anyways, looking at day 1 right now, we have a slight risk across Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Minnesota. Marginal risk across Mississippi, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, and also Minnesota. Looking at day 2, we have a slight risk across Nebraska, North Dakota, South Dakota, small areas of Wyoming, and also Montana. Marginal risk across North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Minnesota, Nebraska, Colorado, and Wyoming. Looking at day 3, actually, we also on day 2 we have a marginal risk across Illinois, smaller areas of Indiana, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Arkansas, and in day 3, we have marginal risk across Montana. And looking at day 4, we have a 15% across North Dakota, South Dakota, and then Montana, a small area of Wyoming as well. Looking at tomorrow, we have 5% tornado, 15% wind, 15% hail. Across the marginal risk, though, very large marginal risk, really. We have 5% wind, maybe small areas. Some areas have 5% hail. Across the northern slight risk, we have 2% tornado, 15% wind, 15% hail. Across the southern slight risk, we have 5% tornado, 15% wind, 15% hail. Looking at day 2, we have 5% tornado, 15% wind, 15% significant hail. Tomorrow might be something. Who knows, really. We'll continue to monitor what's possible tomorrow. In the cross-section, the other marginal, we have 5% wind, and that's it. Well, slight risk, we just named it off. And then looking at day 3, we have 5% probabilistic. We'll continue to see how this goes. And yeah. Looking at day 4, we have 15%. We'll continue to monitor severe weather that's possible in the next 4 days. Looking at rainfall in the next 3 days, right now we have some heavy rainfall possible across Arkansas, northern Mississippi, heading to Tennessee, even heading to stretching into portions of Kentucky and even Indiana. And also we're still getting some potential drought relief across North Dakota, as they're in a pretty exceptional drought right now. The west will also probably like some heavy rainfall, but however though, the fire danger is looking to be likely the next many days. Looking through tonight right now, we have a moderate risk across Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, and Texas. Slight risk across Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee. And also we have a marginal risk across Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, small areas of Virginia, Kentucky, southern Illinois, southern Missouri, and also Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. Looking at day 2 right now, we have a marginal slight risk coming across Mississippi, and also Kentucky, Tennessee, Missouri, and a small area of Illinois. And also we have a marginal risk across North Dakota, and then also Montana, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Connecticut, also New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and New York, Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, Oklahoma, and also Arkansas, Missouri, and Illinois. Looking at day 3, we have a slight risk across Mississippi, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky, and then marginal risk across Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, Mississippi, North Carolina, Virginia, and also New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, and also West Virginia. Apart from that, turn around, don't drown. Flush New England Lake Hills in the U.S. Don't get yourself in that situation. Anyways, that's really it for today's weather update. Yeah. Apart from that, and that's it. Goodbye.